Hey there, everyone! Team Standout is back with another video to give a kickstart to your email marketing strategies. In this video, we will talk about how you can form your email marketing strategies by a few simple methods. These strategies will be helpful for anyone who is trying to venture into email marketing. Let's get started. Email marketing is the ability to reach out to customers or subscribers who have shared their email addresses with you. With their email address, you can send them different kinds of newsletters and advertisements to promote your business. Marketing emails are an efficient way to reach new prospects. You can send an email that is tailored to their personal preferences, which is better than sending them something that may not be relevant to them. This process is repeated continuously to reach as many email subscribers as possible. This is one of the best ways of marketing to your target customers because it shows that by sharing their email addresses, the customers are willing to know more about your business. If you are just starting out with email marketing, here are a few email marketing strategies that can help you grow your business. Define your campaign strategy. First, you have to decide by which strategy are you going to use to grab your customers' attention. There are a few ways to do so. Offers. Businesses that belong to the e-commerce industry generally follow this method. Offers can create a sense of urgency among the customers, and they might end up buying a product. For example, businesses can send out an email to their subscriber list about ongoing discounts on specific products, which will last 2 more days. Newsletter. The newsletter campaign is generally followed by businesses that depend on profits generated from ad revenue. These businesses send out newsletters about informative articles, product information, etc. that their customers are looking for. Newsletter campaigns help to generate traffic on the websites. The next one is the trigger campaign. Trigger emails can increase conversion rates. It urges the customer to take an action. For example, an email reminder with a discount coupon to a customer who has left products in their cart unattended can compel the customer to complete their purchase. Announcement emails. These kinds of emails help to retain your customers for a longer time period. If your business is in the service-providing industry, then these kinds of emails can be used to notify your customers about your new product features or updates. For example, you can notify your customers about new software updates and what it helps to solve in your email. Now we will talk about how you can generate subscribers. There are many ways to do this. Providing something that is of value to the customers will help you build your email list. For example, when a customer lands on your website, you can give them a free video course or a free ebook while you're asking them to subscribe. This will motivate the people to sign up because they are receiving something that is of value and free of cost. You can also give them subscriber-specific offers or discounts that will grab the user's attention. Hassle-free sign-up process. The process of a person signing up for your email list should be a hassle-free process. If you ask the user to fill up a form by asking for their details, you might scare the user away. In this way, you might lose many potential customers for your business. Signing up should be an easy process for the customer and must not be overwhelming. Therefore, simply asking the user for their email ID should be more than enough when the user seems interested in what you have to offer. Pop-ups. Introducing pop-ups on your website can also help in generating your subscriber list. The 2 optimal times when you can show pop-ups on your screen are when a person just entered your website and when they are about to leave. A warm welcome message can be included in the pop-up visual when a person just entered the website. Similarly, a reminder pop-up can be shown when they're about to leave. Reminder subscription buttons. Keeping your subscriber button only on one page might not be the best idea. You can make the button prominent on specific pages of your website. Try to place the button on multiple pages of the website so that you will stand a chance of more people subscribing to your email list. Here are a few more important strategies that you should take note of. Segment your email list. What if you are sending emails to the wrong people, even if the timing is perfect? Segmenting your email list will allow you to send more personalized messages. Try to segment individuals when they sign up and add them to relevant mailing lists. Segmentation makes it easy to distribute relevant offers to the right people. Plus, your audience will be tempted to click on the call to action button if they find the mail relevant. This factor will lead to a higher conversion rate. Personalize your email. Marketing emails that incorporated personalization brought tremendous results last year. Email marketing experts believe this trend will continue to grow even more this year as well. Businesses would do themselves a big favor if they adopt personalization because it makes customers feel like they've been taken care of and appreciated. Nowadays, customers have actually grown to expect a personalized customer experience. Companies that ignore this trend will just be left behind, so you should really try to incorporate it if you haven't. Rewards and more rewards, including free content in your emails, can really go a long way. In a study, it was found that click-through rates were 3 times higher with the inclusion of templates and other useful content. Not only does this bring value to the customers, but also increases engagement, brand recall value, goodwill, and maintains long-term relationships. Prioritize your most engaged customers. You can create a special segment for your most engaged customers and reward them frequently to elevate brand loyalty. With customers who continually open your emails and engage with your business, you're more likely to build a loyal clientele and sales will follow. Make sure to provide these customers with attractive offers or exclusive freebies to make them feel valued. These are the people with the most interest in your company. Communicating with them at a regular interval will surely drive conversions for your business. Lastly, measure your performance. Measuring your email marketing performance is one of the most important tasks to figure out your loopholes. It's vital that you spend some time on the numbers that your business is bringing in. This will give you the chance to set realistic goals for the rest of the year. This information will give you an idea about where your business stands among your competitors, as well as specific areas that may need more attention. Some important metrics that you need to take note of are click-through rate, open rate, click-to-open rate, and unsubscribe rate. That's all for today's video. Hope you found it useful. Comment down below the strategies that you think will help improve businesses online. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel.
Don't tune out just yet. Check out the description because we have some amazing freebies and links just for you. And if you're up for more video from us, check out the 2 videos that is popping up on the screen right now. Until next time, I'm Alice from Stand Out.